Hi there. I want to welcome you as a participant in the first online business beta test of the new Power Marketing Program. This concept is all new, and for the next 14 days, you now have free use of a business building system that has been designed to not only transform online business by generating unlimited leads, but also to change lives in the process. And as you will soon see, it works for anyone, anywhere in the world who's willing to take a few very simple action steps every day for the next 2 weeks. So, starting today, you will be testing firsthand something that only a small number of people have ever seen. In fact, this video that you're watching right now will get you going. So much of the advertising you see all looks the same. Almost the wording of the ads looks the same and the pictures and everything. This will really set you apart. It contains a marketing funnel which has been built especially for you and for your business, not just for your type of business. I will be sharing it with you right here by using two share codes. It is not difficult, but you will need to follow the steps exactly that I will now share with you. This means that you'll need to stop the video time so that you can do the step that I just showed you. It is essential that you don't move ahead of me. Just keep stopping and starting the video until each step has been completed and you have your first ad placed. Always remember that as you put up more of these simple ad posts, you will see greater business exposure than you ever thought possible. We are excited for you and look forward to working with you during this beta test time and to seeing your great results over the next 14 days. If you have any questions along the way, please let us know. Okay, let's get started with your marketing funnel. A few things that you need to know before starting out. While it is certainly possible to do many things for your business on your phone or a tablet, it is best to use a laptop or desktop computer to put the pages of your funnel together. The tools used in this program were developed by the Conversion Pros. To use them effectively, you will need to use the Google Chrome browser. If you don't have Chrome, you can get it by going to google.com/Chrome. It is an easy download. Chrome is also available as an app on both Android and on iPhones. Other browsers are not compatible with the Conversion Pro system. In this video, you will be finalizing a working marketing funnel that has already been built for you. Typically, an effective funnel will contain a capture page, similar to this one, where there is a short form that a prospect is required to complete before moving to the next page. The information they provide will be helpful to you later. The key thought here is that this page creates very strong interest and a desire in the prospect to learn more. We are helping them take the next logical step toward signing up with you in your business. Page 2 of this example funnel is a landing page. Like the first page, there is a video, and this one gets into much more detailed information about the business. There is also some basic contact information at the bottom of the page, which will, of course, be yours. The button to click directs them to your replicated company sign-up page. This is an example of a company sign-up page. By the time a prospect gets to this point, they're usually ready to sign up with you. The marketing funnel has done its job. Now that you have decided to take part in our online business beta test of the new Power Marketing Program, you'll be using the most productive business building tools in the world for free during the 2-week testing period. Top leaders and producers in many different companies and opportunities today are using these powerful tools produced by the Conversion Pros, and they are seeing massive growth in leads for their businesses and in sales. Please start with all tabs closed in Chrome. The first thing that you need to do is go to the Conversion Pros website, which is www.theconversionpros.com. Put that address in your address bar near the top, not in your search bar. Once you're there, click on Login in the upper right area on the page there. Go ahead and log in with the username and password that you chose when getting started with our program beta test. Now go up to the top of your window and click the plus sign to open a new tab. Just drop down one line there to your address bar. Once your cursor is in the address bar, go ahead and type your email provider's address for the email that you used when starting the beta test. In this case, it was a Gmail account. Once you have yours there, press on the Enter key or Return if you're using a Mac. Log into your email account. Once into your email inbox, look for the welcome email from us, which contains important information about your 2-week beta test. In that email, look for your company's name with 2 share codes. Go ahead and select the share code for page number 1 and copy it. It is extremely important that when you copy, you do not get any extra spaces, but only the letters and numbers showing there. Accuracy is key in this process. Now go up and click on the Conversion Pros tab. Now on the left side there, click TCP Marketing Suite. Click Page Builder there. At the top of this page, in a light gray color, you will see a plus sign and Create Page. Click there. Since you'll be using the share code that I am providing for you, click the blue button that says Plus Use Share Code. Be sure that your cursor is in the box as shown here, and then paste. The share code number 1 that you just copied from your email will be pasted in this place. Now click on the green Save button. Click the blue Enter Another button. Go up to the top and click on your Email tab. Now copy the second share code, number 2, as you did the first one, with no extra spaces. Now go up to the top of the page and click on the Conversion Pros tab. Paste into the box as you did earlier, and share code number 2 will appear there. Now click the green Save button. Now you can X out of this little window, as you see here, but don't close the large window that's open. On the left side of the page, click on Page Builder. You should now have 2 pages on your list there under Your Pages. The names of your 2 pages will be different than the ones you see in this example. Keep in mind that the oldest addition to this list will be lowest on the list, while the newest addition will be at the top. In other words, share code number 1 ended up being the page on the bottom here, and share code number 2 is the top page shown. Now we just need to make sure that everything is correct. We're going to use the one on the bottom. Follow that row all the way across to the right, and then click on Edit. Don't click the little triangle on the far right, but click on the word Edit. The first page of your new funnel is now open. Look in the address bar at the very top on the left and be sure that the username that you chose when you signed up is showing somewhere near the beginning of the web address showing there. In the example here, it is showing the name Terry, but yours will show your username. Now close this tab at the top of your window there. Don't close the window, just this tab. You should now be back in your page builder. Now find page 2 in your page builder list there. It should be the page showing on the top of the list. Go to the right and click Edit for that page. Be sure that your contact information, name and phone number, are showing near the bottom of the page. If not, please contact us for help. You have one last very important step. You will now be creating a tiny URL for your funnel, which will be included in your ad posts. Please click Page Builder on the left side there. In your Page Builder, find your page number 1. Click on Get Link for that page. Remember, that's probably the second page showing the bottom one there. Click the blue button to copy that link. Now click on Tiny URLs toward the bottom on the left side. Look up near the top of the page for the light gray text that says plus new tiny URL. Click one time in the box below where it says redirect URL. Now just paste and you will see the link that you just saved from your page builder. Click the green button that says create. Click Tiny URLs again. Now you will see the one tiny URL that you just created. Let's test your completed funnel now to make sure that everything is working as it should be. Click there on Get Link. Now click the blue Copy button. Open a new tab in your browser by clicking the plus sign at the top right. Immediately paste and your tiny URL address will appear in the address bar. Now click on Enter or Return for Mac users. This will bring you to the first page of your funnel, which is the page with a short form to be completed by interested prospects. Go ahead and fill out the form just like your prospects will. Just create a pretend name and email if you'd like, since your actual information is already in the system. You don't need to track yourself. Then once the form is filled out, click the button at the bottom there. You should now be on the second page of your funnel, which again may be different than my example here. Be sure that it is your name and phone number showing here, and then click the button. You should now be on your personal company sign-up page. Be sure that any button on this page directs prospects to signing up with you. This is probably the most critical step in our process today. You probably don't want to be building someone else's team. Finally, you'll be doing something that you'll do often, and that is to save your work. Go to your page builder, again, and click Edit for the first page of your funnel, and click the blue button near the bottom on the left side there called Save Lander. Do the same thing for your second page. One of the great things about tiny URLs in the Conversion Pros is the fact that you can easily track how it is doing by recording the number of hits, as you see here. In this example, there have been 11 hits so far. Check in here several times each day during the 2-week test period to see how your ads are doing. You probably remember how we mentioned in point number 2 of your welcome email that you will be answering a few questions each day through Messenger to us, and this will be your contribution to the beta test. We will record your activity and results each of these next 14 days here in the office. When you send me that message at the end of each day, the first item to include is how many ad posts did you put up that day? You will be learning how to post your ads in the next training video. The second item is how many hits have you had so far on your new marketing funnel? You saw a little bit of this earlier. You'll find that number by logging into your Conversion Pros page and clicking Tiny URLs on the left side under TCP Marketing Suite. It's pretty low on the list there. You'll see the hits column there for your funnel Tiny URL. The third item is how many new contacts did you have that day? Contacts are people who requested more information by completing the short form on page number 1 of your funnel. You'll find this number by logging into your Conversion Pros page and clicking Contact Manager on the left side under TCP Marketing Suite. You will see their names and email addresses in a list there. Please just count the number of additions for that day. These are potentially serious prospects for your business, so check back here often. The last item is, how many new additions did you have to your business that day? How many new people have joined you today? Please be sure to send me a message with those 4 items at the end of each day of the 14-day beta test that's beginning today, so that our beta test results will be accurate. Thank you for that. Okay, you should now have your new marketing funnel completed and ready to post. I'm excited for you. If anything was not correct when you did the final test of the funnel, let us know immediately so that it can be corrected. Now, the final step is to actually put up some effective ads on social media that will attract interested people to your funnel, which leads them to join you in business. I will show you exactly how to do that on the next video, which is considerably shorter than this one. That video is called How to Post Your Funnel to Build Your Business. That link is in the welcome email that you received from us after you got started with the beta test. Watch that second training video now, and you will be on your way.